Okay, now last time we missed last week, but the week before we talked about the vibration. Okay, and then what else we talk about? Besides vibration, we already know how to do cylindrical form, right? We all go through that, and we talk about the wire motion and everything. So far, understand now. Let's go back because a lot of people don't really understand what vibration means. Okay, remember vibration is called oscillation. Everything, even you see down right there, you have oscillation. While in Wing Chun, we have to feel that vibration ourselves, then we can control it. Okay, because look like in Japan, all the building they have spring underneath. Because the earthquake come, they don't the house won't collapse because they have a spring. Okay, and understand what I mean? That's why the spring is vibration. But if you don't move the spring just stands still. But when you hit the spring, boom, vibrate, then you maintain the structure. That's called vibration. That's why if you be able to control that vibration, then you will have a strong structure. Because structure is number one thing you develop. Without a structure, nothing works. I go to that, yeah.
Can you define controlling the vibration?
Controlling vibration?
Yeah,
by relaxing.
What that really means, yeah.
For example, you gotta know the power. Equal to 10, stick right there. See that this was flexible, that vibrate, okay? Now if I hold it solidly, then like this, it vibrate, then I cannot control, like this, okay? But if I hold light gently, like when the fall come in, I can control. Just like the drumstick, I have to hold the drumstick very light, then I hit the drum. That means I control the drumstick, because I know how to feel the vibration. But if I don't feel the vibration, I hold it so tight, I use the drumstick, hit the drum, boom, the sound is totally different. You won't be able to play good, because you don't know how to control the vibration. Okay? When you go to kindergarten, the teacher have a stick pointing at you. Look at the stick, how scary. That vibration. They just point at you. Stand up, go to the corner. Like that. That vibration of the stick is scared you already. Why? Because that vibration is so important. Okay, because, well, you understand what I mean, right? Now,
Well,
if you can.
Is it important because it's really your chi, your energy?
Yeah,
Is it...
vibration is the energy, the vibe coming out. Okay, that's called vibration. Just like I threw a rock to the water, the vibration of the water, the wave going up, that's called vibration. Anything has vibration. If I stand like this, when I talk, how come you can hear me? Because my sound has vibration. That's why I make you hear. But a lot of people don't pay attention on that. Oh, I can hear you, but they don't understand why I can hear you. Because the vibration of my energy. Now, how come when I look at you, I already know what you feel, what you think? Because the energy of your thinking, from an emotion, you'll produce the energy out. That's why that energy is from vibration. I already can tell you're angry or you are happy. Or all those vibrations I can sense. Okay? Understand? That is what I call vibration. In Wing Chun learning, same thing. You have to learn how to control, how to feel that vibration. Otherwise, you don't even know how to sense people's, the energy vibe to you. You don't sense it. Now, in Wing Chun, when you control your vibration, then you can control your structure strong. Because I put my structure here. If the people come and boom, lock my structure out, if I have the vibration, I will be boom, I can lock it right there. Because I control that vibration. When you hit, I can control, make solid. Okay, that is how I control in Wing Chun. That's why in sticky hand in Wing Chun system, when we touch people's hand, when touch, you can feel the vibration. And then that's why you control your own structure. And if you don't feel the vibration from your opponent, then his motion will make you move because you don't feel nothing. He controlling you. But if I can feel my own vibration when you merge my structure, my own vibration can make my structure solid. Lock it right there. Now remember the 13 principles in Wing Chun. Every principle have vibration within. That's why they link all the 13 principles together. 1 is 13, 13 is 1. Now, the first structure is the first principle. How come we have to develop the strong structure? Because the structure is carry on all the concept, all the function. Without a good structure, all the other function won't work. Okay, how I maintain my structure? Now, what is good structure? Let's talk about this. A good structure is a position of my hand. I hold that position. My muscle tension just enough to hold that position. That's good structure. No, not yet. The good structure, I have the tension hold that position in a natural way. Plus, I have to have a target. Now that structure work. If I hold a structure like that without target, sure I look good, but that have no function because I have no target. If I put the gun out, I point the gun like this, not pointing at you. The gun have no target. The gun is useless right now. Okay, even I hold it so good, I can hold the trigger, everything hold so good, but there's no target. The gun is useless. The structure is the way I hold my structure to the target in the most natural position. That is good structure.